In this lesson, we're diving into the exciting world of viral video styles, those short, impactful formats that seem to take over our feeds and get shared everywhere. Whether your goal is to build an audience, grow a brand, or just experiment with popular content types, knowing the common patterns of viral videos can help you create smarter, more strategic AI content. Let's start with the classic hook and reveal. This style grabs the viewer's attention immediately, usually in the first 1 to 3 seconds, and then pays off with a transformation or emotional moment. For example, you won't believe what this looked like before AI, or watch how this simple prompt turned into a cinematic masterpiece. With Veo, you can generate visual reveals, like before and after scenes, dramatic transitions, or evolving landscapes, to keep viewers curious and engaged. Next up is aesthetic loops. These are short, seamless, visually satisfying videos that play beautifully on repeat. Think moving clouds, neon lights flickering in rhythm, or a calm ocean under shifting skies. AI tools are perfect for these because they allow you to create dreamy, hypnotic environments with very little editing, combined with relaxing music or ambient sound for extra impact. Another viral style is the emotional mini story. These often pack a full emotional arc into less than a minute. For example, you might prompt a series of scenes that suggest a journey. A child running through a war-torn city, finding a lost dog, and finally reuniting with their family under a glowing sunrise. Even without dialogue, you can create powerful micro-stories using Veo's cinematic motion and expressive visuals. Then there's tutorial in 30 seconds, quick educational videos that show a process, trick, or transformation. These do especially well on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Use screen recordings, captions, or animated visuals to walk viewers through steps like how to turn one image into a cinematic AI video in 3 steps. You'll also see a lot of text-driven videos. These are videos where on-screen text is the main narrative. Think motivational quotes, funny observations, or story prompts over stylized animations. With AI visuals in the background, your text becomes the star. Just make sure it's bold, clear, and well-paced. Finally, we have the trend remix. This is where you take a trending format like a popular sound or editing style and make it your own using AI, for example. A trend around daydreaming in alternate realities could be paired with dreamy, surreal Veo-generated clips to create your own spin on the concept. The key with all of these, keep it short, visually compelling, and emotionally engaging. Viral doesn't always mean complicated. It means memorable.